Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and just wanted to add to a video that I did a few weeks ago. We talked about the end of the line for Internet Explorer, and a few things I want to say. First of all, a lot of people are saying, well, you know, I have a folder with called Internet Explorer, so it's installed. A lot of the machines that you will have when you clean install Windows did not install Internet Explorer. What it did, it does have a folder called Internet Explorer because there's some tools in it. But unless you went, for the most part, into the options for programs and features on the control panel, and I'm going to show you where. So here I'm on Windows 11. This is the control, the Dev Insider build. In programs and features, there's, of course, on the left side, turn on or off Windows features. And here you have Internet Explorer possibilities. So this is where a lot of the features were added or removed for the Internet Explorer in many of these systems. Now, the main question, so some of you have it, some of you don't, and some of you might have it, by the way, because of a piece of software that you have installed on your PC. So remember that Internet Explorer was such a big integral part of Windows that there's a lot of programs that actually used Internet Explorer disguised for their interface and for so many things. So sometimes some of you might see, oh, well, I do have it, and I never installed it myself. Yeah, something you installed at some point needed to have that, and it actually activated the install phase. Now, if you see it, it doesn't matter. Don't worry about it. If you have it on your PC, Microsoft did say, so if you go and you look at this PC, you go to your C drive or the drive where you have Windows, and you look at program files, you might see that Internet Explorer folders there. You might see, like in my case, I do have Internet Explorer. Explorer is here. Microsoft did say that a update in the upcoming months will completely remove it from your system. They're not taking the chance of doing it immediately because they still know that, especially enterprise, there's still some enterprise and some businesses that, because of the way they set up things, might still need to have it on the system. But in the coming months, at some point, you're going to see it disappear. I will be taking a look at it, and when it happens, actually, I'll let you guys know which update does remove it. They haven't specified a time frame. They said in the next few months. So, I mean, by the end of the year, it's going to be gone from your system. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.